trap the ball. It's either uzol trap a so and then pass it with your right foot. Angithi ubonile la. Look. One. Nangu Ndlovu here. Chiefs win ball. Now, look where there is space. Niyasibona nani niyasibonela. Ispace ukuthi sikuphi. Niyasibonela ispace now. He gets the ball. Now, he gets the ball. Someone here is free. You can trap and pass or pass him first time. Or you can turn the other side in Panagit. Turn the other side. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Today I'm going to do a video analysis Ndlovu, right, versus Orlando Pirates. I wanted to do Ndlovu or with uMaBuyi, but there wasn't enough footage for me to show you, right? I'm not saying he had a bad game, but just didn't have that. So I suggested Gucci Chiefs should play Umthethwa no Ndlovu together. Just for that biteness in the midfield, aggression. But the problem with the two, when we have the ball, they are not creative, and you can't blame them. It's who they are. You need to know the strength of your players. You need to know the strengths and weaknesses of your teammates. Now, Ndlovu was good when it comes to biting. Going to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, let's start. Counter attack. Chiefs, right? Ndlovu does well here. Upumane ball. Plays a very good pass. Lilepo could have turned attack on the right hand side. As a player, you must always know your surroundings. Always know Guti. Ubano setuzane kwakho. Decides to play the ball to the left hand side. Nakhona ulipasele move, could have played it forward. Okay, sharp. Badlalela uNdlovu. Okay, Ndlovu. They'll lose. Then again, they'll win elethu Umthethwa here. Know the strength of your teammate. He's not good with akana pace engako. And even the pass, it was bad. The pass was bad. Could have played the ball here. Play the ball here, Sizala, or is a switch. Okay, sharp. Ndlovu, see, this was a bad pass. Now look what happens. You need to know the strength and weaknesses of your teammates. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Then you will decide which what is this. Was it a good thing? What is a bad thing? Or was it an ugly thing? But for me, as someone who analyzed and predicted the game, right? This was necessary. Yes, it was not nice to watch if you're a Pirates fan, but this was necessary. With Ndlovu, you'll always get the aggressiveness coming from him. And this was good. This was necessary. Aggression. Yeah. Now, know the strength and weaknesses of your teammates. Speed. I know a lot of Orlando Pirates fans or supporters are happy with, especially Ndlovu, with the aggression. But how Chiefs played in the middle with their three was very good. The aggression Ndlovu, right? Without Ndlovu, I don't think they would have received a point here. Now, watch this. I want you to watch this. The ball is Gusibi's, right? Now, look at Ndlovu. Ndlovu is picking up Umbat. Ball is going to come to the right-hand side. Now, the pressing that was done here, marvelous to watch. The presser, he comes in here, wins the ball. Unfortunately, Limshaya esandleni, but the shifting that the players did, the tactical plan achieved from the coaches was spot on. I'm not going to show you everything or every touch yaKaNdlovu, right? I'm just going to show you the most important touches that he made, ne? And angifuni ukuthi he was not properly developed, ne? But he was. Now let me show you why ngisho kanjalo. You always need to recognize, this is uNdlovu, you always need to recognize as a midfielder ukuthi when should we go back, when should we go forward, and decision making, you must not think on the ball. As a midfielder, if you're gonna think on the ball, it's chai. Now watch this. Uyelo. Now he moves it, then passes the ball back. Okay, look what happens. Mthethwa gives it away. He recovers the ball very well, but Sibuyele move. Why did Sibuyele move? Because of that one simple thing. Panagit. It was very simple to do. Yeah? He looks this side. He scanned. Yeah? He looked on his left. Uyabona ukuthi la akuna move. Now, he gets the ball. Now, trap the ball, Panagit. I need you scan. Trap the ball. It's either uzol trap a saw and then pass it with your right foot. I need to bonile la. Look. One. Look how much space it's corner la. Yeah? Or if you're not gonna trap the ball with your left and pass it with your right, then trap it forward. And it best we pass a foot, we must go forward. We can't keep on going backwards. Yeah? Siyaphuma when we say a move. Mfanagit. Yeah? This touch, him passing there. Guys, this touch, why couldn't he make it there? Same thing, my man. Sibuyele move. When it comes to defending, right, he does that exceptionally well. But when it comes to attacking, that's where I have a problem now, right? Now, another clip in the first minute of the second half. uNdlovu uKaCheni. Pirates is attacking. Now look where uNdlovu is. Ne? I always say you need to smell the danger, see the danger, and then taste the danger. Watch. Very good defending here. You don't let abanye abantu do the job if now you can do it. Siyahamba siyompressa C2. Knowing your surroundings as a midfielder is very important. The midfield position is very crucial, guys. You need to know your surroundings. It's more crucial than any other part on the field. Now uNdlovu here. Chiefs winning ball. Now, look where there is space. Niyasibona nani niyasibonela. Ispace ukuthi sikuphi. Niyasibonela ispace nani ukuthi sikuphi. Did he scan? Or he didn't scan? He scanned. Now, he's relaxed. Then what does he do? Decides to come back. Why do you... If football tells you, guys, if you get it this side, it tells you, Guti, take me to the other side. Simple. It speaks to you. Whenever you decide to do what, you decide to come back. There's no need. You want to run with the ball. He wants to run with the ball. Why didn't he run with the ball? Ayale. Watch. He looked there and he's still looking before he taps the ball. Run with the ball. He doesn't want to run with the ball that side. He wants to run with the ball la. Knowing when to attack, when not to attack is very important. It's a very important skill, right? Now uNdlovu tackling. Now uNdlovu. Now watch this. Da. Buyele move. I. Kaizer Chiefs is not a team that's good with build-up play. No, when we win the ball in the middle, right? You need to go forward. Not this thing here of going back. Why do you want to go back, my man? Sugar. He looks on his left-hand side. He doesn't look that right. Only looks left-hand side. One side declare. Now, he gets the ball. Now, he gets the ball. Someone here is free. You can trap and pass, or pass him first time. Or you can turn the other side in Panagit. Turn the other side. Hambe. Yeah? Nangufuthi la bafethu. Okay, ultrepile la. Nice space. There's no way ukuthi you can tell me or he can tell me ukuthi akambonanga lo muntu lo. Or even this guy. Angithi umbonile Makeza waltrapper. Why angayenzanga so? Just roll the ball to him. Shaya isithende mfanakithi. Ubuyele emuva. Ndoda. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Some things are not necessary. This was not necessary. This was dangerous. Because okokuqala, guys, okay, when you jump well, you're gonna use your arms, right? Now, mina into engizibuza yona ukuthi amapali wakhe, he's facing his own goals, ne? So he is going to jump. Angithi ibhola is coming this way, but amapali wakhe. So when he jumps, what was going to happen? Yeah, ibhola bekazolisa kuphi? That's my question, right? That's my question. Umfukeng is facing there. He is facing his own goalpost. Was he going to hit the ball back there? Kuma defenders. Cause mina, I wouldn't have jumped. I was just going to recover. For mina, this was not necessary. The Kaizer Chiefs was not going to happen if it was not for the aggression yakanju. It was a foul though, but Watini play on, right? Everyone is giving credit to Utuba, deservedly, but this goal does not happen without the aggression yakanju, right? He doesn't win the ball there. He came on the left hand side. Wakamfukeng afakinyawo. He fouls him, but ureferee does not judge. Akajudge ureferee la yenzani Chiefs thatha ibhola yokora. You've seen this goal, but I'm just gonna show it again. Very beautiful goal. And everyone is blaming uMasindi laphaya, uNemthi. I don't blame him. He was trying to foul him. Because besebamshiyi. Naye besebamshiyi. Calm and collected. This was a beautiful run. But the aggression yakanDlovu. Last clip bese ngiyayivala ne. This last clip, it summarizes game yakanDlovu. Right? Good defending, very aggressive, mara poor when going forward. Long ball, Nyazi, Pirates, I always say, you don't have to win the first ball, you must win the second ball. Now, look where uNdlovu is, comes in, Kacheni, Habasha. Now here, a lot of people are saying Guti foul. I think uRevushawe Guti, he got the ball. He got the ball and the man. Uguti Tinde Pikala, I don't know. You will tell me. Now watch. Chiefs is attacking. Now counter-attack Chiefs. Now, in this, both teams, in this clip, both teams could have created a goal-scoring chance. Poor passing Lana, then There's space here. He decides to pass there. Now look what Ndlovu does. Poor passing. It just summarized this video just summarized everything about Ndlovu in the game. Good defending, good aggression, but poor decision making, poor passing. But I still say ukuthi ngiyakhala ngale chance le. Just pass mfana kithi. Yabona had he passed there, for me I'm telling you the league would have been gone, because I don't think Sundowns will win the rest of their games. If Mfukeng had passed Uhoto here, it was gone. It was gone. But now it's not gone. It's not gone. Thank you for watching Bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please join and become a member. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the comments. Comment section. I really enjoy it. As long as we don't disrespect each other, then I'm happy. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.